Welcome to our ultimate dollar cost averaging guide, a beacon of investment wisdom for both beginners and savvy investors. Dollar cost averaging, or DCA, is a surefire way to invest wisely, reducing risk and maintaining discipline. So, what is DCA? It is nothing but an investment strategy where you invest an equal amount regularly, be it weekly, monthly, or quarterly, no matter what the price is. For instance, imagine you're investing $100 each month in your favorite ETF. Over time, irrespective of price fluctuations, you have developed an average share price. DCA is actually simpler than it sounds. It is the mechanics behind buying more when prices are low and less when the prices are high. Now, doesn't that bring down the average cost per share over time? You bet it does. Most importantly, DCA imposes discipline. It keeps your emotions in check and frees you from the daunting task of timing the market. You no longer have to worry about investing all your money at a high and facing losses. DCA reduces this risk. Don't worry if the market value dips. Remember, the lower the price, the more shares you get in return for your regular investment. DCA is best suited for passive investors who have a long-term vision. It's a marathon, not a sprint. So remember, the plays you make today will bear fruits in the future. The power of compounding only adds to the magic. Moreover, if you are a fan of index funds or broad ETFs, DCA will be your best friend throughout the investment journey. In your quest to build wealth, DCA could be the tool that ensures fewer bumps along the road. But like all investment strategies, DCA also demands understanding and application. The results can vary, but the power of methodical and disciplined investing through DCA shouldn't be overlooked. Before we wrap up, let's recap the takeaways. Dollar cost averaging, a method of consistent, disciplined investing, beneficial for long-term investors aiming to reduce market timing risk and lower the average cost in the long run. For those considering using DCA, we'd recommend seeking professional insights to align it with your unique investment goals and risk profile. Remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is now. So grab the reins of your financial journey today with the dollar cost averaging strategy at your disposal. Do drop a like if you found this information beneficial and hit the subscribe button to stay investing savvy. Share your thoughts, experiences, or questions about DCA in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. Start investing, stay invested. And remember, at the end of the day, it's your wealth. Grow it.